Hey everyone, it's Daniela, TallGirlDani. Happy New Year. So I wanted to take this time to shout out a product that I've been using for a while now, and I'm on my third or fourth bottle of it, I think. Yeah, so this is something that once I finish it, I get more because it's just so good for my hair, and I feel like it has definitely contributed to the overall health of my hair. And that product is Rooted Treasure traditionally made organic Jamaican black castor oil. So I love this stuff. And the cool thing is when you order, you get a cool little pouch. And what I do with these is these are the storage places for my bobby pins and my hair clips, because you know, whenever you need one, where are they? You know, you've got like 1,000 somewhere. So this helps. I mean, they're still missing a lot, but this does help. So I now look for this before I start going crazy with the bobby pin. Basically, this oil is really, really authentic. And how I know what authentic Jamaican black castor oil is that I have a friend who is from Jamaica who every now and then when she would go home, she would bring back some Jamaican black castor oil that like a family member of hers actually made from scratch. The other brands that I've bought in the stores have never come close to that, the homemade castor oil in like an unlabeled bottle that my friend brought me back from Jamaica. None of the other ones had ever come close in smell and texture and color and consistency. Nothing. Until this. So the Rooted Treasure brand is really the closest that I've seen to my friend's grandpa or grandma, I don't know who made it, my friend's black castor oil. It's really dark and the texture of it is really thick. So it's almost like honey. And this one does have a particularly smoky and earthy scent to it. It doesn't bother me. If you are sensitive to smells, it might bother you and you might want to dilute it with an essential oil or with something else. But I use this oil on my hair. I use it on my edges a lot. As you see, I'm just gonna, since I poured it in the cap, might as well just use it. So when I'm putting my hair up in a puff, I don't use gel anymore. Not that this replaces gel, but I'm just trying to be more conscious about the products that I use and use more natural things and healthier things for my hair. And once my hairstylist told me that a lot of gel has plastic in it, that just made me think twice about using it. Not that I never use it, but I try to limit my use of it now. So when I'm putting my hair in a puff, I just take some of the oil and I put it all around my edges just like this. And what makes me feel good about that is that I know that I'm actually nourishing my edges versus, you know, putting a product in there that has these unnatural things that could actually perhaps thin my edges. And yeah, I basically just rub it all around, and then I take my puff. I take my stretchy hairband and I'll put my hair in a puff. When I use this product, my hair stays moisturized longer. When I use it in a twist out or a braid out, the definition just seems to be really on point. So like when I mix it with whatever cream or product that I'm using, it just increases the definition on my hair. I have kinky, very dense, mostly 4C hair, and this stuff really works on my hair. If you read the reviews, I've written a review a while back when I first got some on Amazon. I also feel like using it to seal my ends has allowed my trims to last longer. Like the last time I got a haircut was in August, right before the Texture on the Runway show. My ends are pretty full. Yeah, I just wanted to give it a shout because I don't think I've ever done an actual review. I've used it in a few of my videos. I used it in my mini twist videos, so I used it under my protective style. I used it in my heatless blowout video. And I used it in my, was it my 3-strand twist? No, I used it for a braid out. Oh my gosh, that's right. It was the braid out that I did to stretch my hair for the mini twists, and that definition was crazy. I'll see if I can put a picture of it in there. If I can. The definition was nuts. So yeah, it's a Black-owned business, which 2018, I am doing my best to support all Black everything. You should support Black business too. Leave a comment below and let me know if you've tried this brand, if you want to try this brand, especially if you've tried this brand and other brands. I'd really like to hear your thoughts on the difference between the Rooted Treasure and other brands, because my experience is that it is extremely different, and I haven't seen another black castor oil on the market that is close to the Rooted Treasure. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.